I think it's the right time. Item 2857.
Arkansas, I don't ever call HSM, AEP, HUS on my credit board.
January 25th.
Still slow rolling.
Item 55 Little Rock, 10-8. Item 56 Little Rock, 10-8.
10-4, 58, Item 57, 1050.
We're still slow rolling. Speed's 55. She keeps pulling on the shoulder back in the lane. She might be stopping. Occupied at least twice.
Similar. Okay, here it is.
We're going to talk 53 for Item 57, 30 eastbound at Elk.
She's stopping the Gore before the 123. Get your hands up! Show me your hands! Put your hands out the window! 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 Put your hands out the window right now! Put your fucking hands out the window! Why you got a gun in me? I'm fixing to shoot you. Get your hands out the window. My baby? Get out! Put your hands against the car.
Why are you grabbing on me like this? Why are you grabbing on me like this?
Stop talking. What is your deal?
What do you mean? What is my deal?
Why are you gonna just keep rolling?
I didn't know if you were trying to pass me and not saying something. I didn't like you on like that.
My lights and siren on means pull over.
I didn't know if you were trying to get past me or what.
You got any weapons on you?
I got weapons on me.
Yeah.
Why are you pulling on me
You're going
like
to jail. Come on.
Why am I going? My baby is in the car.
Here.
You don't care about my baby being in the car? Why am I going to jail?
Get in the car right
Why
now.
are you pulling on me like this?
You want your... Get in the car so I can handle your child. Get in the car.
Please get down on the freeway.
Get in the freaking car.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Get here.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here.
Sit down.
Come here, son.
Sit down and I'll put him in there.
Come here.
Sit down and I'll put him in there.
Okay, come here. Why are you grabbing on him?
Get in the car.
Come here.
Get in the car.
Let my son go, bro. He's a baby here.
I need you to get in the car.
Do you got your camera on too? So
Yes, absolutely. Get in the car.
Call your sergeant. Come on.
I'm working on it. Get in the car.
Why are you pushing on me?
Get in the car.
Call your sergeant.
He is on the way. Get in the
Yeah,
car.
but why are you pushing on me?
Get in the car.
Why are you pushing on me? Come on, baby.
I'm going to drag you in
Come
here
on.
if you don't get in the car.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come up. What's your name?
Get in the car right now.
Stop, ma'am. Please stop pushing me.
Get in the car.
I haven't did anything wrong.
Get in the car.
I haven't did anything wrong.
Get in the car.
It's kind of hard with these cuffs. So tight.
You can clear it. Start making left. Hello? Are you related to this lady? Yeah. She's being arrested. Do you know somebody to come get the kid? Failing to yield. Yeah. You have somebody to come get the kid? Brian?
Bro,
You need somebody to come get your kid.
Bro, why am I going to jail?
I'll explain it all to you.
J Money, this woman was putting her hands on me, dragging on me, pulled a gun out on me, everything.
Can you come get your kid?
Why am I going to jail?
Failing to yield.
When did I fail to yield?
When we drove 2 miles since I turned the lights and siren on.
And I don't know if you were trying to get over or wait.
I'm East of Alcoa.
Yeah, so, like,
Alright, so right now you need somebody to come get this child.
So you're taking me to jail?
Absolutely.
wow.
You can't do all that and not go to jail.
I didn't do anything.
Girl, I need somebody's number, Jay.
Who can come get this child?
J Money, she was pushing on my child and everything, bro.
Tell me who can come get this child. Or we're gonna have to call.
Yeah, hell no.
I'm gonna have to call somebody if you can't come get this. Somebody can come get this child.
J Money, call Kelly on 3-way. Call